In this guide, we will explain why your iPhone microphone is not working and provide 10 effective solutions to help you quickly restore your iPhone microphone functionality. Part 1. Why is my microphone not working on my iPhone? Common causes of iPhone microphone issues during calls include blocked microphone openings, app permission restrictions, Bluetooth interference, iOS software glitches, and possible hardware damage from drops or water exposure. Part 2. How to fix iPhone microphone not working. If your iPhone microphone is not working properly, you can follow the methods below to troubleshoot and fix the issue step by step. Tip 1. Clean the microphone openings. Dust, dirt, or debris can block your iPhone microphone and affect voice input. Clean the microphone openings gently with a soft, dry cloth or brush to restore clear audio. Tip 2. Remove the phone case. Third-party accessories like screen protectors or phone cases may block the iPhone microphone. Remove them and test the microphone again to see if they are causing the issue. Tip 3. Enable microphone access for apps. Check your iPhone microphone settings and make sure the required apps are allowed to use the microphone. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone, then go to Privacy and Security Microphone. Step 2. Turn on microphone access for the apps you want to use, allowing them to record audio and send voice messages. Tip 4. Turn off phone noise cancellation. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone and go to Accessibility Audio Visual. Step 2. Turn off phone noise cancellation if it is enabled. Tip 5. Disable Bluetooth connections. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap Bluetooth. Step 2. Turn off Bluetooth to disconnect connected audio devices. Tip 6. Restart your iPhone. Step 1. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Step 2. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the side button to turn it back on. Tip 7. Update iOS. It is recommended to back up your data before updating to avoid potential data loss. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone and go to General Software Update. Step 2. Tap Update Now to download and install the latest iOS version if an update is available. Tip 8. Reset all settings. Reset all settings restores the iPhone's default configuration without deleting photos, videos, apps, or personal files, making it a safe troubleshooting option. Step 1. Open Settings on your iPhone, then go to General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset all settings. Step 2. Enter your passcode and tap Reset all settings again to confirm. Tip 9. Use iOS System Recovery. If the previous methods do not work, the microphone issue may be caused by deeper iOS system problems, such as corrupted system files, failed updates, or software errors. iOS System Recovery is a professional tool that repairs various iPhone system issues, such as frozen screens, black screens, microphone problems, and update failures, without data loss in standard mode. Step 1. Install and launch iOS System Recovery on your computer, then connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Select iOS System Recovery from the main interface and click Start to scan for iOS system issues that may cause the iPhone microphone not working problem. Step 3. Choose Standard Mode to repair iOS system errors without deleting your personal data, then click Confirm to continue. Step 4. Check your iPhone information, download the appropriate firmware package, and click Repair to fix the system issues affecting your microphone. Step 5. Wait for the repair process to complete. Your iPhone will restart automatically. Then, test the microphone to check whether the iPhone microphone not working issue has been resolved. Tip 10. Contact Apple support. If your iPhone microphone is not working after getting wet, it may be caused by hardware damage. In this case, it is recommended to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for device inspection.